Hi everyone, this is Selina. Welcome back to one of my videos. I hope you're well. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name's Selina and I release crochet tutorials and crochet related videos. So thank you for stopping by. So today I wanted to discuss a topic which is close to my heart, and that is how to crochet beautiful Christmas gifts for a really low price. So it's not a secret that yarn is really expensive, and sometimes crocheting gifts can turn out a bit more expensive than we would want. So maybe you want to keep a strict budget for Christmas this year, which would make total sense. So maybe you're looking for a way of crocheting gifts that's not too expensive. So in any case, I've selected 8 crochet gifts for under $5. So I've said $5, but obviously this can be also £5. This is a rough estimate, and some of these projects will actually cost a lot less to crochet, and one or two cost a teeny tiny bit more, but I'll be going through all of this. But anyways, welcome to my channel, and I hope you enjoy these crochet gift ideas, and also I'll be linking all of the video tutorials of all the projects I'm talking about in the description box. So I'll be linking all of the projects that I mention here in this video, and the free patterns are all available on my blog, so don't forget to check those out. So to begin with, I've tried also to select larger projects and smaller projects, because sometimes we don't necessarily want to make tiny projects. So to begin with, I wanted to talk about the first crochet gift idea. So this is a lovely velvet scrunchie. I think I've spoken about this one before in my previous list, but this is such a good gift for a stocking filler, and also this would probably cost a lot less than $5 because it's so tiny, and it obviously requires a really small amount of yarn. And with one ball of yarn, which I think this is burlap velvet, so this is probably the priciest yarn I'm going to discuss here, but I thought this was a great idea simply because you can make so many of these in different colors, or just make so many of these and give them to different people, and these, or sell them at a Christmas market. Again, these make great Christmas makes that are quick, and also you can sell really easily. So another little project that would be amazing to make and really budget friendly is a lovely little crochet keychain, and I often use drops muscat yarn. So this is a cotton DK weight yarn that I used, and I often use drops muscat yarn, and that is a very affordable yarn, definitely under $5 for one ball, and with one ball you could make multiple crochet keychains. And you could also use scrap yarn for any of these projects. You don't need to follow my exact yarn that I've used. You can use whichever yarn you have at hand. Another amazing crochet project you could make is this beautiful hair bow. As you can see, it features a delicate filet crochet design. I did pop a little hair clip at the back, but I've ordered these hair clips months ago, and I think I ordered a pack of 50 for a really cheap price on Amazon at the time, and I've used these clips multiple times. And this yarn is actually Lion Brand bamboo yarn. I can't remember what it's called. Kobu. So this is Lion Brand Kobu. I did use Kobu yarn because this was a bit of yarn that I had left from another project, so this was actually quote unquote scrap yarn. But you can choose a a cotton yarn for this that's a lot cheaper than Kobu, but in any case it would still cost you less than $5, just because you would need a lot less than one ball of yarn for this. Another amazing crochet gift you could make that would be really budget friendly is this French beret that I made a few months ago. I love it. It has a really vintage vibe to it. As you can see, it's got a shell stitch edging and it's so beautiful. I absolutely adore this beret. Again, I will be linking the video tutorial for this in the description box, and I made this using drops muscat yarn, and I think I used maybe 2 balls of drops muscat, which for me would be less than $5, I would say, or at least less than £5. But again, like I say, you can use whichever yarn you have at hand for this project. So this is a great project. Then I have this headband, this winter headband, and this again is a great project to make just because it's perfect for the winter. People absolutely love these projects for the winter simply because they're not only absolutely lovely, but they are also super practical. And I cannot tell you the number of people who tell me when I go and pick up my little boy at school that they keep losing either their kids' gloves, hats, scarves, their own and everything in the chaos of, you know, dropping kids off at school and everything like that. People are constantly losing, you know, hats and gloves and so on. And so that makes a really good gift because people are always looking for these. So this, I think I made this with Aran weight yarn, or maybe it was chunky yarn, but this is a 100% acrylic yarn, and it definitely was not a premium brand, so this would have cost me £2 or £3 just to buy the yarn, and I still have tons of that yarn left because I just spotted it upstairs. So this is definitely a great project, and it's also a really fast project to make. So this would take me an hour to crochet. So that makes a great, quick and cheap gift. Well, not cheap, budget friendly gift to make. And then I did include this beautiful Victorian wrap that I made a few weeks ago, and it's so pretty, it's so delicate. I think it's called the Belle Victorian wrap, and it's absolutely stunning. I love it, and I included it because I used 2 balls of yarn for this project, and the yarn, 1 ball cost me, I think, £2. So it is mohair yarn that I bought on the Knitting Network website, and it was half price, I think, or 40% off when I bought it. But honestly, I did use under 2 balls of yarn, and I think the balls of yarn cost me £4 in total. So this project cost me £4 to make, less than £4. So obviously I understand that in different countries yarn can be a bit more or less pricey. However, this is very similar to the Alize yarn that is on Amazon.com if you live in America, for instance. And I think that is also a very budget friendly yarn, and honestly it's so soft and beautiful. It looks a lot more expensive than it is, and sometimes that's what happens. Really affordable yarn can be really high quality, and sometimes some very expensive yarns can be very disappointing. It really depends. But I think it's good to have a larger project that didn't cost a lot of money. So another project I would like to talk about is the Elegant Man scarf that I crocheted a few weeks ago. I'll be popping a picture here just because I don't have it at hand. I think I used 2 skeins of yarn, 2 and a bit skeins of yarn for the man's scarf, and honestly, it would have cost me probably under £5 to make it, because again, I used a very affordable but high quality 100% acrylic, I think Aran weight yarn, and because it was a more basic yarn, it didn't cost me that much to make. And another project I wanted to include was a woman's scarf, and again, I don't have that project at hand, so I'll pop a little photo on the screen. And that also, I think, was made using 2 balls of 100% acrylic yarn, and therefore that made for a very affordable crochet gift. So I hope you enjoyed this little crochet gift idea video. So I think it's good to have crochet gifts that are not only fast to make but also very budget friendly, and people really love handmade gifts. I don't think I've ever experienced anybody rejecting or being nasty about anything I've made that's been crocheted. So yes, I know it's always a hit, so let me know in the comments what you think. Are you still crocheting Christmas gifts, or are you super organized and finished your crochet gift buying or making? Let me know in the comments, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.